If I write some text in this password text field like this, then it is visible, but it should not be visible until and unless user wants to see it. So to make it obscure, there is a property of a text form field, obscure text. If you make it true, then password will be invisible and it will be like this. But there must be a way to see it again, just because if user wants to see whether he is entering correct password or wrong password. So I want, when I click on this eye icon, the password should be visible, and when I click on this eye icon again, then password should be invisible again. So to make it dynamic, I will create a boolean variable instead of writing true on here. So let's create that. I will create a boolean variable and I will name it is password obscure, and initially we will make it true. So initially it will be invisible like this, like you see. So instead of this true, I will pass this boolean variable on here, is password obscure, and it will behave the same. Now whatever you will write, it will be invisible like this. So to make it dynamic, here we have this on press event for our eye icon that we have on here that we just created. And here I will call set state, and in the set state I will assign this is password obscure variable to false. Like it will behave like if it's visible, so it will be invisible, and if it's invisible, it will be visible again. So that's how we write it. And now if I press Ctrl S, and if you user wants to see it, he will click on here and password will be visible. If you will click again on here, the password will be invisible again. So that's how you handle password text fields.